Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python the right way. First, focus on mastering the foundational elements. Start by understanding variables, different data types like integers and strings, and essential control flow statements such as if else and for loops. Dedicate at least 2 to 3 hours daily to these basics for the first 2 weeks. This strong foundation is crucial for building more complex programs and will save you significant time later on. Once you grasp the fundamentals, immediately dive into hands-on practice. Solve coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank for about 30 minutes each day. Then, dedicate 1 to 2 hours to building small projects. Begin with straightforward applications, perhaps a text-based adventure game or a simple data analysis script. Completing at least 5 distinct projects will significantly boost your confidence and practical skills. As you progress, explore Python's vast ecosystem of libraries. If you are interested in data science, delve into Pandas and NumPy. For web development, consider Flask or Django. Spend about 1 hour daily experimenting with these tools. Also, actively participate in the Python community. Ask questions, answer others, and even contribute to open-source projects. This interaction provides invaluable learning opportunities and networking. Learning Python is an ongoing journey. Always stay current with the latest language features and updates, perhaps by reading official documentation for 15 minutes weekly. Choose a specialization, whether it is artificial intelligence, data engineering, or automation, and deepen your expertise there. Aim to complete at least one advanced project in your chosen field every 3 months. Consistent effort and focused learning will ensure long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.